So once you log in with your credentials, it will open a new dashboard like this. This is the fresh account. Literally a fresh account. I'm just muting all of you so that it won't distract others. Yeah. So I hope my screen is visible, right? Yeah. So here, what you should do is first step is to change your password. If you're a brand new, the password is 123. Okay. The first step is to change the password, and here is the onboarding checklist. Click on the change your password. It will come to the profile screen. Here you have to change the password. Click on it, enter your existing password, change it to new password. Okay. Minimum 6 characters. 6 times, 2 times you have to give current password, new password, and reconfirm the new password. Click on update. Automatically, this will cross off. Okay. Automatically, this will cross off. This is called onboarding checklist step by step. Got it? And password, you can update it on your browser. It will automatically load. Okay. This is the first thing you can do that. Second thing is to set up and start a goal. Click on this. Automatically, it will open the goal screen. You can set up your first goal. Okay. It can be any goal. For example, in this March month, my focus is to maybe I can master lead generation. I can master sales. I can master any skill. Let's say finish an AI related certification. This is a similar example so that everybody will understand. Yeah, certification. So I'm giving this, even timeline is optional. If you want, you can give in 60 days, in 90 days, in 30 days, like that. So click on the generate plan. It uses AI to give you the perfect plan of this execution milestones. Research as usual. Okay, as usual. 6 steps in the version 1 also it is there. 6 steps. If you want to change any steps, click on it and directly edit that. Okay. It has an option to edit the steps if you don't like or if you want to change. If you like the steps, congratulations. Now you can proceed towards add to your goals. Okay, click on it. Automatically, it will take 2-3 seconds to load into this goal, saved goals. And make sure you have to start the goal. Then only the task will be shown in the dashboard. Okay, click on it. And again, you will see here, before you start the goal, you can have the option to edit the milestones. For example, I want to edit this to put it back. Okay, like that. If you want to change anything, you can change the steps. But after you start the goal, you can't change the steps. Got it? Click on the start button. In case if you don't like this, click on the delete button also. Delete button also will work. But after starting, you can't delete. Make sure you use less times. Otherwise, once goals are committed, 3 times only it will come. Okay. Only 3 goals. I'm starting the goal. Once I click on the start goal, a second. Yeah. Once I click on the start goal, automatically second thing also will check off, set up and start a goal. And the first activity, identify the top 5 certifications. It will automatically show in the first priority. Okay. It will show in the first priority. Identify the top 5 AI related certificates. Okay. Goal also you can see. Percentage also you can see. In the version 1, there is no percentage. In the version 2, I have updated the percentage. Okay. This is the second change. You can see if you have done this, click on done. Automatically it will move to the next activity in the goal. Okay, usual functionality. Next, same thing, you can set up 3 more goals. Ultimately 3 goals per guy. Okay, per at a given time. For example, one of my other goal is learn guitar. Okay, learn guitar is one my goal. It will give you a detailed plan again. Yeah, see, 6 steps. Sometimes it will give you 5 steps based on how much the work is. Add to your goals. And you can see this, you can start the goal. Okay. You can click on the start, automatically the goal will start, and you can go to the dashboard. The second goal also will be seen. In the version 2, the biggest change is the calendar. Okay. Can you see the calendar? It will by default, it's a weekly calendar. If you want to go to any certain date, click on this calendar button and automatically move to that day. Okay. You can automatically move to that day. On that day, anything is there, it will show. If nothing is there, it will show like this, nothing planned on that day. Okay. So make sure you go back to the today. Next. So this is what set up your and start your goal done. Next, set up and track your habit. I hope you are seeing the checklist on the bottom right. Okay. See third step, set up and track your habit. Click on it. It will come to the habit screen. In the habit screen, you can set up the habits. In the habits, you tell me any habits you want to be consistent on. One of the biggest recommendation is don't track the habits which you're already active. Okay, which you're already doing. Let's say you're sleeping properly, you are exercising every day. Don't track that. Track where you are not consistent. Okay, for example, I'm consistent in exercise, but I'm not consistent in diet. Okay, 100 grams of protein daily. Okay, this is my goal. 100 grams of protein. Okay, I have to eat. That's my diet goal. Okay, and if you click on the start button, automatically it starts. It will show in the bottom. It takes like 1 2 seconds to load. 100 grams of protein, and you can see the daily streak also. And very important, you can't track the habits from the habit screen. This is just the visual. Go to the dashboard again. In the habit section, you will see that habit. Okay, it takes like 2 3 seconds. Yeah, 100 grams of protein. Today, have you had a protein? I had protein bars. I had protein drink. I have like chicken, dal, all that stuff. So I'm clicking on done. If you don't have, don't put the checkbox. Okay. And it will give you the check marks. It's done. In case by mistake, if you have clicked that, this is the biggest change in the version 2. Click on the undo button. Can you see the undo button? So this is the undo button I have added. By mistake, if you have clicked on done, you can go back to the undo. It will revert to that habit back to the not done. This is the biggest change. Like that, you can add more habits also. For example sake, I'm adding only 3. You can track max of 3 habits at a time to maintain the focus. I consciously do this. Okay. So 3 habits. Let's say one more habit I want is like clean my bike daily. Okay, that's my habit. Clean my bike daily. And very important, this time in the version 2, I have did a biggest change called instead of the daily, you can change it to custom. Custom means you can customize how many days you want. For example, I want I want to clean my bike not daily, but weekly 3 times. Let's say there is what? Wednesday, right? Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Okay, 3 days. Customize. This is the biggest change in the version 2. And of course, there are a lot of evolvement is there. I will do that. So click on the start habit. This habit will be shown on the particular days. Suppose I have given Wednesday, that's where it is showing in the Wednesday. Okay, click on the start habit. Clean my bike daily. Of course, this is not daily. It's my mistake. Okay. So clean my bike daily only Wednesday, Friday, even you can see this Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, only 3 days. Today, because it's Wednesday, automatically it will show in the dashboard. It will show in the dashboard. Okay. Can you see? It will show in the dashboard. And if you have done that, click on the done button. Done. And tomorrow it won't show because Thursday, right? Thursday goal is not there. The habit is not there like that. Type wow in the chat if you like this feature. So Thursday, the habit is not there. So that's where there is no Thursday. Even I'll show you one example to explain it even better. Let's say reading Bhagavad Gita, or let's say reading a book, or let's say playing games, or let's say read a book on weekend. Okay, read a book. Let's say on a book, read a book daily. I'm moving it to weekly. In the weekly, I'm choosing only Saturday, Sunday. Only Saturday, Sunday, it is giving. In the version 3, I'm going to add timer also, where you can select the time, it will remind you. Okay. So in the version 2, it is not yet added. We are still working on the development time. So this is the third habit. Read a book only Saturday, Sunday. If you go to the dashboard, it should not show. Okay, I have tested it multiple times. So it won't show. Type wow in the chat because it won't show. Today is not Saturday, Sunday. When the Saturday comes, when you log in, okay, when you log in, then only it will show that habit. Okay, read a book Saturday, Sunday. After Sunday gone, Monday it won't show like that. Okay, active habits you can only see on that particular day. This is the biggest change on the version 2. Okay. Previously, it is not there. It is purely daily. Okay. Next, third change is the mood management, mood tracking. This is very important. Suppose today you want to track the log. How are you feeling today? Click on it. It will show a simple pop-up. Great, good, okay, low, rough. Suppose today I feel good. Not great, good. Okay. So I'm choosing the good. If you have anything to write, please write. I feel little low in energy, something like that, related to mood. Okay, don't write anything else. It's not notes, it's mood notes. Okay, feeling good today. You can just, even if you want to update it, you can update it. Okay, anyway, I'm not updating it. So just go back to the insights. In the insights, it will show the mood also. Okay, this is the biggest change in the version 2, where you can see the mood also. In this month, in this month, how many goods you hit, how many grades you hit, how many okays, how many lows, you can easily track. Okay, this is the biggest addition in the version 2, where you can track the mood also, and of course streak also. How many days you're tracking, how many days you're great, all that stuff. Even it will show the calendar also, entire March month, how you are feeling with the emoticons. Okay, good. I feel low in energy. The notes you have written, right? It will show here. Okay, it's only like monthly for now. I'll expand it to yearly also in future. And one more biggest change is this. You can see how many days you are active. Plus, it will show the entire heat map. Last 365 days, how many days you log in, how many days you track. It will show here itself directly. Okay, it looks like a beautiful graph. Okay, even I'm building one demo account with the colorful. I'll show you future. Okay, consistency, perfect days, all that stuff. Okay, habits, how much consistent you are, all the habits, all 3 habits it will show, and with the proper tracking. This is a big change, like colors. Okay. Next, one more biggest change is the leaderboard. This is very important to see where you are standing. Okay. I'm happy to see that Akanksha came on track to 45. Glad that Akanksha, you finished the goals very faster. Very good. So you got 45. Sharad, congratulations, 119. Ummi, Omar, 137. Keep doing that. Okay. In future, I will try to gamify this. You can spend these points to do something good. For example, you can use these points to build the garden, use these points to get more features. Like that, I'm thinking of, once you are tracking more, let's create more features slowly, step by step. Okay. So currently, you can see how many active members are there. We are 37 members right now. Okay. 37 members. Cool. Type got it in the chat if you got it. Okay. And you can see weekly also. This week data, we are still testing this, and this all time data. You can see the overall time data. Okay, even you can see the biggest one more change is how you can get points. Here is the calculator. If you finish an habit today, 1 point. If you finish all the habits for today, 5 points. If you completed one full goal of 18 tasks, 50 points. Goal task done. In case if you finish the goal priority, 3 points. And ad hoc task done. Any ad hoc task if you have done, 1 point. Ad hoc means same. Go to dashboard, click on, in case any emergencies you got, click on plus, and you can add that. For example, today I had to go to my friend's, okay, friend's house. Next, let's say one more activity I've done is today I had like holiday. Actually, Wednesday I'm taking half day holiday. In that you can add anything you want. Okay. In case even Atin also asked, Ramesh, how can I push it to like tomorrow, day after tomorrow? That's where I'm building this calendar. Click on the tomorrow. You can add the directly priorities. Okay. You can directly add the priorities. Let's say tomorrow, my focus is tomorrow is Thursday, right? I have 2 sales calls. Plus, of course, I have to go to gym. Thursday is my gym day. Gym, like that. You can add the priorities. In case if you want to get it done, click on done also. I'm giving that lenience. You can even finish the tomorrow's activities today and you can click on done. Not a big deal. Okay, I've given that. In case any mistake, click on the undo button. It will get back. Undo button. Even delete button also there. Undo button there, delete button there. It's all the upgraded things. Okay. Plus, of course, see, you can't track tomorrow's habits today. That's why there is no done button. When the tomorrow comes, if you log in, it will show the done button here automatically. Okay. Next. So one more change is there. One more biggest change in the version 2 is the quotes. Previously, it was only one quote. Now I have loaded 1,000 quotes. Okay. Literally 1,000 quotes I have written personally and I have loaded so that daily you will get one new quote. Okay. Wealth is created by people who take risks and dare to dream. And if you refresh, I think if you log out and log in, it will come a new different quote. Okay. I'm just trying to refresh. Yeah, I think when you refresh, you get a new quote. Rich people have small TVs and big libraries. Poor people have small libraries and big TVs. Type wow in the chat. So like that, you will get some random quotes every day. Every time you refresh the screen, that also motivates you. Goals, habits, and biggest change in the focus is previously it was a random timer. Now I'm linking the focus time with your current priorities on the dashboard. On right, suppose dashboard, I'm just opening the dashboard. In the dashboard, let's say go back to the 11th. This is my 3 priorities, 2 habits, right? Oh, this habit is done. Clean the bike is done. Same, all four will be shown in the focus. Okay. This is the biggest change. 1 second, I'm refreshing it. Okay, it is not showing. One moment, guys. Yeah, it is taking some time to load. Can you see? All the habits it is showing. Let's say you want to do some any work, click on that task, start the timer. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours, even custom also. I've given custom timer also in case if you want to change to 1 hour, 15 minutes, you can go ahead. Okay. 75 minutes, start the time. Okay. So once the timer is done, this activity will automatically cross down. You don't need to click done. Once the timer is genuinely done, it will cross out. Okay. Fresh. I'm resetting it for the time sake. Yeah. So automatically it crossed off. Okay. So this is the one biggest change, and you can only select active things from the dashboard. In case Ramesh, I want a different activity, but it is not in the dashboard, click on the free focus. You can choose anytime free focus and you focus on it. Like that, you can go ahead. Very important invention in the version 2 is the lazy mode. Okay. Lazy mode is a mode for the people who are lazy. What you can do is no commitment, pick any task, run for 5 minutes, see what happens. So in this lazy mode, right? The interesting thing is actually lazy people are keep on procrastinating, telling the wrong stories, overthinking. Instead, click on the execute now. It will start the timer. Before you start the timer, think about what will you do. Okay, you read a book, start the book. So take the book, start the timer. And your only goal is to read the book. That's it. No need to do anything. It gives that instant motivation to start any activity automatically. That momentum builds. Okay, this is very important. It's not a normal timer. This is the timer for growth. Okay. If you want to stop, it will ask a reason, I guess. If you click on the stop, it will ask a reason. Why are you skipping this? Let's say I'm feeling lazy. Lazy. Confirm skip. Like that. Okay, you can give the reasons. In future, if you stop the timer, you can you will punish with the points. Okay, you will get 5 points minus 10 points minus, like that. I will work on that gamification model so that you can consume the points, you can earn the point like a game, and you will be more motivated with the progress. Okay, in future you can use the points to buy any features inside this. I'm building new features also. Okay, so lazy mode is for the lazy people, focus mode is for the focused people. Okay, got it? Got it on the focus mode. This is a new change. Where the lazy mode. Okay, lazy mode is the biggest change in the focus mode. Next, another big change is the theme. Version 1 is too boring, very boring. Version 1 is like black and white. Now I added my flavor to it, like our band color 6732 AE purple plus little bit of lavender included. Here, light version is this. If you want, no Ramesh, I want the dark version, click on the dark. Automatically, the entire stuff will go to dark. Okay. Yeah. Can you see? Automatically, everything will go back to dark and looks like a very dark thing. And in case if you want system means if it is night, automatically it goes to black. If it is morning, it will go to white. Okay. Like that. One of the biggest change in the version 2 is badges. If you finish the onboarding all steps, all 5 steps, I think I forget to show you. If you finish all 5, 6 steps, it will say one badge that setup complete. You have completed all onboarding steps. This is one. Okay. Like that, we have other badges. One badge is to finish all the goals. One more badge is log in 3 days in a row. Okay. Log in 3 days in a row. One more badge is 7 days in a row. I'm gamifying with too many things. Okay. Even I'm giving some points for finishing the badges in the version 3. Okay. In version 2, you will get the badges for everything you have done. Got it? Type got it in the chat if you got it. But one of the other query I got is, Ramesh, how can I use it as a mobile app? Okay. So if you want to use it as a mobile app, right? Very simple is in your browser, click on the three dots, say add to home screen. Okay, for example, Chrome, mobile, add to home screen. Okay, the settings look like this. I'll show you. Settings will look like this. In your phone, click on the three dots on the browser, and there is a thing called add to home screen. Can you see this, guys? Add to home screen. So click on this. Automatically, it will save like an icon in your home screen, like accountability AI with an icon. Click on it. Automatically, it opens like an app. Got it? This is a turnaround for the app. In future, I may build the complete iOS version or the Android version. Not right now. At least I want another 120, 200 users. Then we will make this application good. Then we'll work on that thing. For now, this is working. Lot of my other friends also said, Ramesh, this is looks very good. If you can click on the three dots on the browser after login, click on the add to home screen like a shortcut. It's good. It look like a lab. Okay, it look like an app. Even I'll show you in the phone version also how it looks. In the phone version, it looks like this. Okay, it looks like this beautiful app. And if you click on the three lines, go to the profile, change it to light if you want to change it to light. Okay, so these are the big changes in the version 2. In the version 3, I need your feedback. Okay, I don't build blindly. I have 20 features in my mind, but I don't build. I'm a good marketer. I need your feedback. Then only I can build the next version. Okay, so any doubts, feel free to type it in the chat. Any doubts? In case if you don't get the access, please wait because we are working on that. We will message you personally. In case if you need access, message Reshma. Reshma will give the link to activate your subscription. And any support queries, we have a separate group for that, Accountability AI. You can join that group and ask any question. We're always there to help you. Okay. See, don't think like it's a sales call. My intent is to really help you to create something valuable in the marketplace. Okay. So any doubts? Am I on track? Any doubts? And first of all, let me congratulate the top people today for this week. Ummi Omar, congratulations. You're the top guy this week. Sharad, very happy that you're on track, man. 119. Okay. Keep doing that. Akanksha, I know you're a rock star. I think you can easily beat everyone. Okay. So 45 is not a joke for 2, 3 days. Keep doing that. Okay. Keep pushing that. Rohan, very good. Dattatreya, very good. Arun, Shripriya, Salma, Shankar, Sumati, damn good. But my focus is on zero people. Okay. Whoever got zero, right? Please push yourself. Okay. At least to log in, at least to track, do something. Especially Radha, Giri, Ramana, Asif, Sachin. I think these are new people. Karunakar, Dheeraj, Nabil, Neeraj. Please do something so that Loving the app will be getting the most recent version. Uh, so Loving the app will be getting the most. No, actually for development, we have a different version, Akanksha. Actually, this is the production version. Okay, you will get only the production version because development version has bugs. Okay, you can't even feel that. Too many bugs are there, but still we are working on it. Me and my development team is working on it. Testing team working on it. I will give you the best. I will load the production as fast as it is tested properly. Now I'm working on the version 3. In the version 3, please you use it properly and give the feedback. And what other features you want, please let me know. I'm happy to build. Okay. But I don't stuff too many features. I don't want to stuff. But if a feature is really important, definitely we will take the feedback from multiple people. Then we build it. Especially this leaderboard is my favorite, so that we can lively see who is active in the business, who is active in your life. I can easily see that. I'm very happy about it. Okay. Even I'm building the points where you can consume, building a tree, something like that I'm building. Let's see how it goes. Like a game kind of plan I'm thinking of. Okay. So any other doubts? So I'm giving you the Reshma number once. Please, you can ping Reshma on WhatsApp. She will give the access. She will give the license. 99. Honestly, one of my close friends said, Ramesh, are you mad enough to charge 99? No, I'm trained enough. Okay. I'll wait for 100 users. Then in future, I'll increase to the new members 149 or 199. For now, if you log for 99, it's 99 per month for lifetime. That's what for the given features. If I add any powerful features, not sure, because even see, I'll tell you my cost, server cost, database cost, development cost, testing cost, plus AI cost. Okay. See how it is generating automatically because I'm linking with OpenAI API. Okay. That API is charging tokens. Every time you select a goal and you create execution plan, it is automatically taking some dollars from my pocket. Okay. So that's where there is no free lunches in the world. It's if you feel it's valuable, then definitely it's valuable. If one guy asked her that, Ramesh, can't you give lifetime? No, I cannot give. Okay. There is no lifetimes on this. You have to bear 99. We waste a lot of money, right? Think about it. Any other doubts? Any new features you want? Any crazy features you want? Please let me know. I'll take it feedback and I'll work on the version 3 as well. Good pivot. Thank you. Okay. If you don't have any doubts, thank you guys. Please start using the app more, find more bugs so that we have our work to improve this. And I'm very excited for the version 3 also. And thanks for your time. I hope you guys are on track. You guys are working. You guys are really creating something valuable. And yeah, all the very best. Okay. Bye everyone.